Hello, my name is Steve Vaughn and I'm the service director at Regal Nissan. I've been with Regal for about 36 years now, and we've always been founded on the understanding that customers are the main reason that we're here. Our founder, Mr. Charlie Scott, believed that, and he passed that down to all of us. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our new state-of-the-art facility. We wanted to do all we could to make it the most state-of-the-art facility that's in the area. So when you come into our facility, you'll pull up in front of the garage doors coming into our service drive area. The doors are automatic, so they're going to come open for you as soon as you pull up. Once you pull in, one of our service advisors will meet you at the car and we'll begin the write-up process. If you have an appointment, they will already have that on their tablets. They should be coming to your car with a tablet and have all your information right there readily available for you. Then my valets will begin our service check. We do a complimentary alignment check, we do a complimentary battery check, we do a complimentary retrieval of diagnostic codes, and also a tread depth when you pull in within the first 3 minutes. We do that because we want you to be informed about your car and want you to be able to make great decisions in what needs to be done and in the time frame that it needs to be done. Once your service advisor has finished, they will direct you to our waiting room, which has free Wi-Fi. We have complimentary snacks, complimentary drinks. We have a kids play area in there. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Once the valet's finished with your car, they're going to pull it to the back. We have 6 Nissan Master Techs here, and all of our techs are ASE certified. At Regal, we've always taken pride in the fact that we are a one-stop shop. You don't have to go anywhere else to have anything done on your car. We have tires here, we do brakes, we do alignments, we do anything from major engine repair to just plain old topping off the air in a tire. Also, every vehicle that comes in, we do a complimentary wash and vacuum on the car. My service advisor will ask you, as long as you have the time for us to do it, we'll be more than happy to take care of that for you. Again, we just want to be your one-stop shop. We're going to do things that you're not going to get at an independent dealer and you're not going to get at any other dealership. Please come in. You'll enjoy what you see, and we just thank you for being one of our customers.